Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Junction City, local and long-distance movers near me. This relocation type involves transporting your belongings over 50 miles. Whether within the distance or the same state or across state borders, to transport all your stuff over such a vast distance, you'll want the services of professional and experienced movers. 3 Movers has permits that allow us to transport your items across great distances without incident. We deliver your items to you in excellent condition and complete our long-distance relocations on schedule. When it comes to packing and transporting your belongings, our movers are conscientious. They will arrange your items in such a manner that there will be no confusion. All of our drivers are well trained and very efficient. In addition, we will keep your valuables secure while we handle your other essential activities. We have excellent insurance coverage in place to protect us from risk and liabilities. Local moves are less complicated and, in most cases, less expensive than long-distance migrations. Our hourly prices in Junction City are the most reasonable in the area. Relocation labor costs around $30 to $40 per hour at our company. We manage every aspect of the relocation flawlessly. Consequently, we get high volumes of referrals from residents and their families. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Junction City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.